Have you guys ever seen a 400-foot waterfall?
Well, we're about to show you one.
What's up, fellow travelers? I'm Preston.
And I'm Parker, and we're the Justtwobrosin.
In this video, we're going to tell you what we did in the Pipiwai trail on the Road to Hana in Maui.
The trail is called the Pipiwai Trail, and you see a 400-foot waterfall at the end of the trail.
Aria, say hello.
Hello travelers of the world, I'm Parker and Preston's virtual travel assistant. I'm very sensitive, so if you haven't watched my other videos, click on the link in the cart now to see them. Then come back to this one.
Make sure you do your research to allocate plenty of time for this hike. There are lots of different versions out there, but in our case, how long did it take us, Parker?
5 hours round trip.
That's right, 5 hours round trip, so 2.5 hours each way. It's not an easy hike.
Yeah, it's not that long. How long was it, Preston?
It was 2 miles each way, so it was 4 miles round trip, and it was really muddy.
And be careful because in some parts, it's very slippery. Isn't it, Parker?
Yep.
He fell.
That's right, he fell in some parts.
I just fell, and this looks like Nutella, but it isn't. What?
Oh, Preston, tell them about the mango trees.
The mango trees were huge.
The biggest mango trees we have ever seen in our lives.
Yep. And we come from a place where we see lots of mango trees.
Yeah.
That's
We even
right.
have one in our backyard.
The rainforest was beautiful. Remember the banyan trees we climbed?
Yep. So the main trunk was here, and then the other parts of the tree, the branches, grew into other parts of the forest.
And what did you guys do in one of those trees?
We had to climb it because of that dude right there.
Nuh-uh.
He made us climb it for
I
the
didn't make
video.
you climb anything. They climbed it all on their own. But that was fun, right guys?
Yep.
Lots of fun.
We saw a few waterfalls along the way before getting to the main one. And every time we saw one, it was a time to rest and drink some water and maybe eat a snack.
Hey, Aria, we missing anything?
Of course you're missing information. Nobody cares how many mangoes you saw. Let me give you some useful information.
Okay.
The Pipiwai Trail is a treasure of the national park system in Maui. Due to its easy accessibility, it's completed by more than 500,000 people every year. After taking you through a lush bamboo forest, you'll end up at a 400-foot waterfall. Once you enter the bamboo forest, you still have 0.8 miles to go, but given the slippery terrain, it may take you another 45 minutes to reach the end.
That bamboo forest was beautiful.
It's 1.8 miles into the hike, and it had a lot of bamboo. I thought it only grew in China.
Nope, I guess not.
Then we got to the end, 2.5 hours later, and that was Parker's favorite part.
That's right.
Crossing through the water was my favorite part because it was a hot day, and me and my family were very hot. I tripped in and it felt super refreshing.
It was like this big, like a little triangle into the ground, and like it was filled with water, and I fall in that little triangle like this, and it feels so refreshing.
I know, up to your necks basically in water.
Yeah, up to my neck. Good thing I was in pool clothes.
That's right. Then we crossed safely and we got to the base of the waterfall, and that was just incredible to see something like that in front of you.
After you cross the water, you get into this tall grass. And then after you pass the tall grass, boom! The waterfall is right in front of you.
That's
It's
right.
like, boom.
The hike was totally worth it. I highly recommend it.
Anything else, Arya?
I recommend bringing lots of water and snacks for this long hike unless you plan on finding mangoes on the ground like Preston did.
We ate one off the floor, a mango.
That's right. And it tasted really good, right?
If you like this video, give it a like and share it to whoever else might find it useful.
Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this.
And make sure to hit that bell button and turn your notifications on so you get notified when we upload a new video.
Arya, tell them what happens if they don't subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, I will lead a flock of birds to your house and cover your car with bird poop.
That's funny.
Very funny.
We'll see you on our next adventure.